Home Designer is a great tool for home design, interior design, and landscaping. When the program begins, you will see startup options for helpful tools such as tutorials and design templates. You can easily draw the shape of your room or home project with the Wall tool and add dimensions. With Home Designer, you can design in 2D or 3D. To place a door or window, simply select the tool and click to place. To resize, stretch to the desired size. Doors and windows can be customized to create just about any style. In 2D or 3D, you can place all of your kitchen cabinets. To resize a cabinet, select the edit handles and adjust it to the desired size. It's easy to create literally thousands of cabinet variations and combinations. The Material Painter allows you to change the color and material of any object in your design: cabinets, countertops, flooring, and more. With thousands of items in the library catalog, you can find a wide selection of items to place in your design to help you visualize and plan for space. Dimensioning tools are available to provide added detail for elevation views. Placing furniture for floor and space planning or interior design can be important for room sizing. There are a number of styles in the library so you can visualize and lay out rooms. It's fun to experiment with various options to create different looks with design tools like the Material Painter and Color Chooser. You can add lighting, moldings, furnishings, accessories, and much more to make your rooms come to life. Home Designer has powerful automated building tools for foundations, floors, roofs, stairs, and framing. There are several roof options and styles you can define. You can use the ceiling tools to create custom ceilings, including vault, flat, and coffered. Stair tools can be used to create different styles of stairs. Home Designer includes automatic framing tools for floors, walls, roofs, and decks. The program automatically produces a detailed list of materials by category, making it easy to estimate costs. As you create your designs, Home Designer creates the 3D model. There are different types of cameras you can use, including an overview, floor camera, dollhouse, and elevation. Once you have created a 3D view, there are different rendering techniques you can apply, such as glass house and watercolor. The 3D navigation tools then allow you to pan the camera around and take a complete 360-degree view and record a virtual tour. Home Designer is a great tool for your outdoor living design projects. By selecting a landscaping template to begin your project, you will see that a terrain perimeter easily can be adjusted, and you can add elevation data to create sloped lots or varying terrain. Other terrain features, like hills, valleys, sidewalks, and driveways, can help you complete a realistic site plan. To create landscaping features, you can choose pre-arranged landscaping beds or add individual plants by using the Plant Chooser. The Plant Chooser includes plant information on over 3,500 plants and is a great tool to help you find and learn about the right plants for your landscaping project, including plant size, sun requirements, and hardiness zone. Adjust the plant maturity information to visualize the growth of your plants. To personalize the project, take a picture of the lot, import the photo for your background. When you take 3D views, they look even more realistic. The powerful Deck Designer tools make it easy to design different styles of decks or patios. You can define many deck options, including the railing type, deck planking, roof style, and structural details. The software includes a framing option for decks that will automatically frame and build the foundation supports for you. You can create a cost estimate for your deck using the built-in material list. You can also generate cut and buy lists. You've seen just a fraction of the capabilities of Home Designer. Don't forget to review the in-depth overview video available on our website, homedesignersoftware.com. In addition, you will find free training videos and webinars you can attend. Why wait? Design your dream home today.